when we finish reading this first passage, we can say, I just read a passage about how the FTP had a little remembered group called the Negro Unit, which was the first real national black theater troupe. And that this Negro Unit created a diversity of art through conflict. That whole second paragraph, that some people favored folk dramas, others wanted urban dramas, others wanted adaptations. Some thought the theater should attempt to blend into the mainstream culture. Some thought it should capitalize on its difference. Some thought it should try to instruct. Some thought it should just try to entertain. And that conflict brought forth a diversity of views. And all this was a good thing. So the main point question is that the FTP's Negro units created the first truly national black theater, and that they created a diversity out of the contrasts, contrasting views. And notice how answer choice C says exactly that. So if you can start with an answer, you can find an answer choice pretty readily. Question 2 is not going to be difficult, but it may be time consuming. All right, answer choice A is never said anywhere in the passage, but answer choice B is in line 14, answer choice C is in line 10, answer choice D is in line 12, and answer choice E is in line 6, and that's just what it is. You got to go and find it and say, yes, they said it here, they said it here. Notice how answer choice C in question 3 dovetails so neatly with what we've already established as the main point. The contrasts among the different people, the different groups, contributed to the diversity. And that is just exactly what answer choice C says. Brilliant. That's what we want from the right answer. For question 4, as always, the answer is there in the passage. Why did they mention the Harlem Renaissance? I mean, the author says it in line 24. Thus, I've just mentioned the Harlem Renaissance, which was this historical period of creativity and innovation. Thus, by the time the FTP was founded, a diverse body of thought concerning the social function of art already existed. Why do we bring it up? To show how it impacted, to show how history impacted the FTP's Negro units. To establish a historical context for important artistic debates that occurred within the Negro units. I mean, it's just checking off every box there. For question 5, the author says that the Negro units were the first truly national black theater. And she says that the Negro units were a diverse group of artists that were showing off the breadth of the African American experience. So when she says it was the first truly national black theater, she is saying that it is a diversity of artists showing off the breadth of the African American experience. Broad-based dramatic arts enterprise reflecting the diversity of views and tastes of African American artists. Come on! It's just perfect. And, you know, this is the same thing we were talking about with question 1. If you have an answer, finding an answer choice, not such a big deal. For answering question 6, look, the author gave us 7 different groups. The folk dramatists, the urban dramatists, the adaptationists, those that wanted to blend in the mainstream culture, those who wanted to capitalize on difference, those who wanted to instruct, and those who wanted to entertain. And which group did the group that adapted the Mikado fall into? Oh, maybe the adaptationists. Yeah, for sure, the adaptationists, and we know it because that's what they did. They developed an adaptation, and that's why answer choice E is right. So for question 7, we're going to strengthen the claim that the Negro units were the first national theater. One way to do it would be to say that the theaters before them were not national, and that is the way that answer choice C operates. If that's true in C, then before the Negro units, you just didn't have any national theater, national black theater. I don't know that it needs any more explanation, does it? All right, I'll stop talking now.